Attention real estate agents. Are you ready to become the go-to expert quoted by your local media?
Hi, I'm Kevin Hawkins, an award-winning writer, storyteller, and one of real estate's most successful public relations veterans. Join me at the Florida Realtors Convention this August for an exclusive workshop on using PR and taking your business to new heights. You'll discover the power of PR, how it can raise your market visibility and awareness. Learn how top agents get quoted in local news every time and how you can become that agent. For over 2 decades, I've worked with the best in the business, including Florida Realtors Tech Helpline and Form Simplicity, and I'll share my expertise with you. In this fast-paced workshop, I'll reveal 5 major takeaways you can use immediately to help you grow your brand and your business. These PR hacks and tactics can transform your marketing. Plus, I'll show you how to leverage cutting-edge tools like ChatGPT and other AI technologies to enhance your PR strategy and amplify your success. I've seen firsthand the power of these new tools, and I can't wait to share how to use them with you. Don't miss out on learning new ways to take your real estate marketing to the next level. Please join me at the Florida Realtors Annual Convention for essential PR tips to boost your visibility in the media and your market. I promise it'll be informative and fun. I can't wait to see you there.